Welcome back to the Coral Café. Today is the Great Kelp Cookie Bake-Off, and we're going to discover the secret science hiding in every kitchen. Grab your aprons.
Today I'm making the best kelp cookies in the whole ocean. Flour, kelp flakes, butter. How hard can it be?
Wait a pinch. You have to measure. Baking is science. The amounts have to be just right.
That's called melting. Heat turned our solid butter into a liquid.
Look, the butter was a solid square, and now it's a liquid puddle.
That's the magic of heat. The oven changed our batter into something brand new. Bubbles is right. Baking is like a science experiment. 1 cup of flour, 1 spoonful of baking soda. Measuring carefully makes the recipe work every time.
My batter is bubbling. Is it broken?
Not to worry, Pinch. That's the baking soda working. It makes tiny bubbles of gas, and those bubbles get trapped in the batter.
Here's the cool part. Melting can be undone. If we cool the butter back down, it turns solid again. Scientists call that a reversible change. It can go back.
The gooey batter went in, and crunchy golden cookies came out.
How?
Those tiny gas bubbles are what make cookies and cakes soft and fluffy instead of flat and hard. No bubbles, no fluff. And here's the amazing part. Baking cannot be undone. You can't turn a cookie back into batter. When heat makes something totally new, scientists call it an irreversible change. It only goes one way. Melting butter, reversible. It can go back. Baking a cookie, irreversible. It's changed forever. Every kitchen is a science lab.
These are the best kelp cookies in the whole ocean, Pinch.
Because I measured and melted and bubbled, I'm basically a scientist now.
Every time you help in the kitchen, you're doing real science. Thanks for baking with us at the Coral Café. See you next time, Splash Squad!